Hey guys, Diya Bhatia is here. This is a much awaited video for all of us. Do you like in creating content or taking time in creating content? If yes, please watch this video till the end. Today I brought an ultimate product which is called Zairp. Let us know what is this Zairp is all about. This product is blended with artificial intelligence with content generation. Yes, you have heard that right. This product is blended with the power of artificial intelligence with content generation. Once we log into the platform, within 90 seconds, you can have the complete article around major of the niches. And tons of niches are also getting added. This has completely changed the game when it comes to content generation. Here, you will never be able to tell the difference between the human brain article and artificial intelligence article. Once we purchase this product, we can have many benefits, like you'll never have to set up a site ever again, and you'll never have to write content or to pay someone to write your content. Never have to optimize content yourself, never have to post content yourself, and never have to syndicate your content yourself ever again. What a product it is. If you want to get hands on this product, click the link provided below this video. See you until next time.